Hello and welcome to the Program Extension Form tutorial. In this video, we will provide guidance on what an immigration advisor needs to grant a program extension. We will also provide you guidance on how to complete the form.
As an immigration advisor, it is imperative I have proof of an academic need and your ability to financially support your program extension in order to grant that extension. You will need to upload financial documentation for this purpose. You will also upload your immigration documents to enable me to verify your non-immigrant status, assure the accuracy of your SEVIS record, and to assist me to provide you correct advice. You can do so here under the attached documents section. Finally, you will request a verification from your academic advisor who will confirm the academic need for an extension in order to complete your program of study.
So what kind of financial ability do I need to prove?
The financial document you provide needs to show funds which are liquid, or meaning they are readily available. These will include some form of a bank statement or bank letter on the bank letterhead from a sponsor's checking or saving account. This should show a specific amount of available funds and type of currency, and it also clearly states the name of the person who is the account holder. Scholarship letters and student loans also may be supporting your financial ability. These should be issued on the authority's letterhead stating the issuing person or organization, listing the recipient and the period of time for which the funding applies and the amount of funding. The scholarship letter should clearly state circumstances that would allow the funding to be received, extended, and reviewed for future academic periods. Now, there are some unacceptable forms of financial proof. These include income statements, letters of employment, a promise to pay or an IOU, a credit card statement or line of credit, or statements of property ownership.
So what should I do if my parents are paying for my expenses?
Your parents or any other sponsor needs to complete the affidavit of support form. You can actually link to this right here from the form and access this form. On this form, you will complete this and have your sponsor indicate that they are providing funding and then sign saying that those funds that are shown on their bank account or statement with their name on it is dedicated to the use to support your program of study.
How do I know how much money I need for my program extension?
Use the estimated costs link here in the form to determine the amount of funding you need to show. In this case, you can see we have it broken down by semester. It's a semester. If it's more than one semester, you need to show the full academic year amount. This is not exactly what the cost of your program will be, but this is what we more or less average or estimate it will be, and we need to show that you have funding to support this amount.
You said you need a verification from my academic advisor indicating that there's an academic need for my program extension. How do I get that?
In this case, you come to the verification section of the form. Once you request the electronic verification, you are then brought to this page. Here, type in the name of your academic advisor. We're going to say that in this case, you're part of the aviation program, so Kaylee Rolfolt is your advisor. Go ahead and choose Kaylee and hit search. And then choose Kaylee and go to next. You then are brought to this page where you enter your USUA number and any notes that you want your academic advisor to see regarding this request. You then can choose if you want to read or not read the copy of the verification they are requesting. Once you save this, an automatic message is sent to the academic advisor asking information that we need to support your program extension request.
What else should I do with this form?
Be sure to complete all sections of the form. Again, read through the instructions. You also have learning content. The learning content on this form provides a lot of information about your responsibilities and what in general is a program extension. This is good to refer to on occasion. You can come back and do so later. Questionnaires allow you to enter information I need in order to process the request. And again, we have the verifications.
What if I can't complete the form now? Can I come back to it later?
Absolutely, and we encourage you to come back to the same. So once you log in and you're on your home page, you can actually see here records that you have initiated. Log out of this one, and then you can always come back and re-access it from this same page.
Got it. I completed all of the forms and I hit submit at the top of the page. Now what happens?
The immigration advisors will see the request in their queue once you have submitted the form. Allow us 3 to 5 business days for your primary immigration advisor to process the request. They will reach out to you if they have any questions. Once the immigration advisor has completed the request, you will receive an automatic notification from the system. We also tend to reach out and let you know that that is complete.
Thank you for watching this Office of Global Engagement video. If you have any questions, please contact us at our email, internationalstudents@usu.edu. We hope you have a wonderful day.